Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Nothing is impossible. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like.
Welcome on YouTube, this is your boy Chef Fitz in the building today. Today I'm going to show you how to make your simple garlic butter wings. Alright, so stay tuned while I show you how to make your garlic butter wings.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Nothing is impossible. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like.
Alright, welcome back. So in our plate here we have about 1.5 pounds of wings. I just buy from the supermarket, washed nicely, cleaned with vinegar and ready to season. Over here we have two whisked eggs, and also we have some all-purpose flour, about ½ cup of all-purpose flour. Here is some of our seasoning. We have about 2 ounces of butter, we have garlic, we have some black pepper, and we also have some paprika. Alright, so let's start seasoning our chicken. Here I'm going to add some taco spice. Alright, so we're adding about a spoon, ½ spoon of taco spice. Alright, then we're going to add some chili powder. Alright, I think this tastes a little spicy, so just add it. So about ½ spoon of chili powder. Let's add some paprika. ½ spoon of paprika. Right? We're going to also add some natural Caesar spice. Using that natural Caesar spice instead of the salt. Alright? So ½ spoon of natural Caesar spice. Alright? Let's add some black pepper. A little bit, not a lot. God. Then we're going to mix this nicely. Stir this nicely. Right? Look at our wings, so them look nice. Alright? So wings. Alright, so we're going to leave that to marinate for about ½ an hour. Good. Alright, so this is our 2 eggs that we whisked. We're going to add some milk, about 2 teaspoons of milk. Good. So that helps to give you that flakiness for the chicken. The milk with the egg. Alright, add a little black pepper. ¼ teaspoon black pepper, and add some paprika. Right, and we can stir that nicely. So that egg wash is ready. Alright, so move over to our all-purpose here. We have some all-purpose flour, a little black pepper, about ½ teaspoon, little ½ teaspoon paprika, add a little chili powder too, help to give it a nice spicy taste, and a little bit of the taco spice. Alright, good. So we season up everything now, so let's stir. And I mix that around nicely there. Alright, so we're gonna leave that and then we're gonna put our pot to eat. Alright, nice. Alright, so now we have our meat marinated. We're gonna move it now to the egg wash. So wings in the egg wash first. Yeah? Wings in the egg wash. Then into the flour. Alright? Shake out the excess flour. And then we put it on a dry container. Alright? So we're gonna do this process to all our wings. Wings in the egg wash. Then into the flour. And shake out the excess flour. And then move to the plate. Alright? So we continue that process with all of our wings. And then we're gonna bring them to the frying. Alright, so here we have our pot heated. We're cooking on about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We're using 1 cup of cooking oil because we basically deep frying it. The oil that we're using is our vegetable oil. Alright, so our chicken over here, chicken wings over here is nicely coated. So let's check if our oil is hot after 5 minutes. Good. As you can see, our oil is ready. Alright, so let's put in our chicken nicely now. Alright, so whenever you're doing chicken and you want to ensure that your chicken keeps the crispy taste, ensure that you don't overcrowd the pot. I recommend you that you don't overcrowd your pot when you're doing chicken and you want to get that crispy look on it. Alright? So you're gonna turn your chicken after 3 minutes. Alright? After 3 minutes, you can go ahead and turn your chicken. Look at it. Alright, so in the meanwhile our chicken is frying, we're gonna look about the sauce. So we have 2 ounces of butter here. We're gonna nicely drop in. Alright. We're gonna kind of melt our butter. Alright. Look about that nice garlic sauce. Alright. Then we're gonna add our garlic. We have 3 cubes of garlic that we grated. Yep. Now you start to smell it. Alright. Now good. We're gonna add some Grace ketchup. About 3 spoons. Good. Also we have some, allow that, mix that a little bit. And let the sauce come together. Alright. Good, looking good. So we also add in some of our sweet brown sugar sauce. Yeah. Not a lot, but a spoon. Because we want our chicken to kind of get a little bit of sweetness. The sweet go with the garlic, you know, boy. It tastes so nice. Alright, so we're going to leave that to simmer down for a minute. While our chicken finish fry. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and remove our first set of chicken. Nicely. Put it on a paper towel. So help to remove some of the grease. Alright. So this, see, right now everybody trying to eat healthy, so too much grease I don't recommend. Alright. Look at our chicken how they look, chicken wings how they look beautiful, yeah? And then we're going to put in the next set. Right. So we're going to add in our next set of wings to fry. Okay, so after we remove all of our chicken from the pot, you can see how crispy it looks, you know. Yeah man, looks so good. We're going to put our chicken now in the garlic butter sauce, alright? So there is, we have our sauce that we make earlier on. Put all our chicken in here. And then we're going to stir it nicely. Ensure that our chicken is coated. Entire chicken is coated with the garlic butter sauce. You see it looking nice? Yeah man, and it still have that crispy crunchy taste, you know. Right? Look at them. Show that it, oh my word, the scent, boy, is so sweet. It smells so good. That aroma. Yep. Alright, so there you have it. My garlic butter chicken. Look at it. Looks so good. Right? I'm gonna put it in a plate now. I'll let you see it. Alright, there you have it guys. Our Jamaican garlic butter wings, chicken wings. Alright? Look at how beautiful it is. Just sprinkle a little sesame seeds over it, you know. Eat a nice little garnish. Wow. Looks so good. So let's take a bite of one and feel how it tastes, you know. My word, tastes so good. Right? Hope you guys enjoy my cooking show, you know. It fits in the building. I'm out.
Hey, don't do it. Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Nothing is impossible. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like